Michael Davies is the Director of M&A Air Conditioning and Installations, an industry leader in the sales and installation of premier air conditioning units for homes and businesses. A trusted partner for homeowners and businesses that require first-class air conditioning and refrigeration services, M&A Air Conditioning and Installations aims to provide outstanding service at the most cost-effective pricing. Situated in Adelaide, the company also offers expert maintenance and repair to domestic properties in addition to commercial projects. For expert air conditioning and installations advice, contact Michael Davies.